Hey y'all, Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So here we have the BobSweep Pet Hair Plus, the Colbolt model, and we've been using it for a few months now. This is the newer model that came out in 2018, I believe it was. And we love the older model that we first tried out. Biggest thing with that was the battery kind of went down the drain, but that was after a few years. You can always get new batteries. So this is the upgraded version. You can see it's a little dirty here. We had some construction going on, and I guess there was a lot of dust in the house. But overall, we really love this thing. A couple of things that did happen. Make sure that your floors, if you're using wood floors, are clean, because you don't want it to pick something up and run with it and scratch the floor. So keep that in mind. It was not something that happened with us, but I have read that in the past that could be an issue with any of these type of machines. The other thing is, keep in mind, if you have a power failure, sometimes Bob will go a little crazy and come off the charging station and not know what to do. We heard that one night after the power went out. We really don't use the remote control all too much. We just let it do its thing. We have scheduled the different cleaning things, where it can do the perimeter or just, one room at a time, and no issues. You have the electric eye there, so if you have it upstairs, it won't go over any of the edges. Overall, really, really great. Not a fan of the mop function, like I was not a fan of the mop function of the other one. It's just not enough pressure, really. But it picks up tons and tons of dirt and dust. You can kind of get an eye in there. Our dog sheds, but there's a lot in there that it picks up. It does a really great job. The biggest thing is, just make sure that if you have the hardwoods, that it is swept first, because you don't want it to, find something that's hard and scratch everything up. Otherwise, really, really cool. If you don't have a BobSweep and you do have pets, this is something great to have in the house, and just, let it go as it goes. And you don't really have to worry about it. And then every once in a while you come back and you do your big vacuuming, but this will just keep everything nice and clean for the time being. So this is the BobSweep Pet Hair Plus. You can see them on Groupon a lot. I know Amazon has them. We'll put some links below, as well as check out more information on BobSweep's site. So there you have it. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me and Bob here. And, if you like this video or have a BobSweep or something like it, leave it in the comment below. And make sure to like and subscribe. Share the channel with all your friends. And again, thanks for watching. Take care.